Alright guys, well I'm in the process of putting a coat of paint on the cabin here, especially in the spot this side where the sun beats down on it a whole lot and it's starting to deteriorate a little bit, or the gloss that was on it's starting to come off. So just to preserve it a little bit more, I'm just going to run some paint on it. As you can see, I've been doing the top bit up there. Maybe you can't see, but anyways, there's these little ridges in here, and I'm gonna have to come back after this stuff dries, probably tomorrow or this weekend, and use a thinner brush to get down in those strips, because I just got a bigger paintbrush. We got two of them, but we didn't think to get any smaller ones, so that's the size that I'm using to put it up here. So I'm just gonna run a quick first coat over the top here and the bottom. Got a big storm system moving in our way. We already got pounded with rain last night. Apparently, I'll show you the makeshift rain gauge. It was dry when we left onto our little RV adventure, and right now the Buddha is up to his neck in rainwater. So, it's one thing I want to mention about the bark chip or wood chip method is it holds moisture real good. So really, we've had this stuff planted for about a month and a half, and I haven't watered more than twice everything. It's just been raining so much. Now granted, if it didn't rain as much as it has been, I'd have to water a little bit more, but I'm just saying that for this year anyway, it's been really nice. Haven't had to water much. Got to do some mowing though, it looks like. These lavenders are getting overtaken by the weeds a little bit. I'll cut that down. Tomorrow, got the day off, so I was gonna take some photos tonight at a little ghost town about 15 miles from here, but it looks like the storm's coming in. Once again, the time for the Milky Way is about 12 to 3 a.m. so I don't know if it's gonna be a go tonight, but I try to take advantage of as many days as I can to shoot. We don't get many of them here in North Dakota. What, 5 months out of the year, 6 months? At least without having to bundle up like an Eskimo pie. But looks like a neat storm coming in. Haven't really checked it on radar, but my mother called me to kind of warn me. She likes to do that stuff. Give me a heads up all the time. Motherly love, I guess. There's a storm coming every night. So, yeah, I just saw some lightning over there. But let's go. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good week. Bye.